Gukorwo ati kaunti ino ya Nyandarua ni imwe ya kaunti iria itari na riboti ona imwe ya COVID-19, Minista wa ugima wa mwiri Mutahi Kagwe augite riu ni uigirирiki wao muikari wa kaunti ino gutigirira goikara o uguo. No na thengia wa kwaga riboti cia murimu uyu, kaunti ya Nyandarua irauga iri ihenya-ini ria kuhingia watho uria urutitwo kuri o kaunti wa gutigirira iri na marire matanyihire 300 ma gutungatira arwaru a COVID-19.
This does not mean that the people of Nyandarua are immune from contracting the virus. Far, far from it. I want to urge the county government and the people of Nyandarua to jealously protect this status that you have.
We are putting a 13-bed ICU facility costing 70 million shillings. Is already, you have seen that as the ICU system. The 300 isolation beds was really. We have JM has 25, ICU, JM hospital, we have another 10. JM hospital dialysis unit, there are 2. JM hospital isolation, 13. Engineer hospital, 3. KMTC school, 110 beds.
Grafu ya COVID-19 ethiete na mbere na kwambatira guku bururi-ini, ona gutwika andu 1,286 ni matoretie murimu uyu guku 100 makihotererio na gukua.
We have today 133 people who have tested positive to the disease out of a sample of 3,365 persons who we tested over the last 24 hours. This now means that Kenya has 3,727 people who have tested positive to date.
Ndumiriri kuma kuri ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri thi yothe WHO igie uhotekeku wa andu aria mari na COVID-19 no matire na dariri gutambia murimu uyu, Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri yugite ndiagirirwo ni gutuma Kenya maregerie mawatho megie COVID-19.
We have seen very many asymptomatic positives even in our community and others turning positive in their midst. So the possibility of asymptomatic positives shedding the virus to others is still live. Utheru niguo gututeithia. Utheru. Na ni turona ati oginya ta riu. Kuri andu aingi muno marakoragwo thibitari, magoka ni undu wa kurwara nda, ni undu wa kuharwo. No riu ni turona mirimu yo ni ikurukite thi tondu wa andu gukorwo ni marethamba.
Governor wa kaunti ya Nyandarua Francis Kimemia ni ataririe imwe ya mihinga ire gumeire ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri kaunti-ini ino ta wagi wa ataramu na madagitari a kuigana thibitari-ini nene ya kaunti ino ya JM Kariuki.
We need to be supported to actually become level 4, ultimately move to level 6 at Referral Hospital. We have an MTC here that we would like to request you to support us so that we're able to move ahead. We have given you a budget. We have given a budget of 1.2 billion shillings that can progressively in 2 years be able to transform this county to be able to achieve the challenges that we overcome the challenges that we are facing. We have requested for Kemri facility. Kaunti
ya Nyandarua ni amukirite nguo 1,000 cia guteithiriria madagitari magitungatira arwaru a COVID-19 o hamwe na indo ingi cia guteithiriria kugacirithia motungata thibitari-ini itiganite kaunti-ini ino. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.
Ngai aro murathima. Mungu ambariki.